Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Naik. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 9th March. Today in our regular GK series, Today in History, we shall recall some of the memorable events happened on 9th March in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Who is tabla player and music composer born on this day in 1951 and remembered for his music composing in films like Hit and Dust, Saj, Monto, etc. and was awarded with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan? Answer. Ustad Zakir Hussain. He is the elder son of Ustad Alaraka and had learned tabla at the age of 3 and started performing at the concerts at the age of 12. Question number 2. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1956 had received Sahitya Academy Award for his book An Era of Darkness and whose other works are India from Midnight to Millennium, Why I Am a Hindu and Paradoxical Prime Minister, etc. Answer. Shashi Tharoor. Question number 3. Which Indian actress died on this day in 1994 is considered as the first lady of Indian cinema and was the first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1969 and some of whose notable films are Karma, Achut Kanya, Jeevan Prabhat and Durga. Answer. Devika Rani. Question number 4. Which Indian film producer and director died on this day in 1971 whose directorial debut film was Phool and who is well known for his film Mughal-e-Azam starring Dilip Kumar and Madhubala? Answer. K. Asif. Question number 5. Which Indian actor born on this day in 1997 made his debut film with the lead role of a student with learning disorder in Amir Khan's directorial debut film Tare Zameen Par, for which he won Filmfare Critics Award for Best Actor? Answer. Darsil Safari. Question number 6. Which book on economics by Adam Smith was published on this day in 1776, which offers world's first collected descriptions of what builds nation's wealth, containing the topics like division of labor, productivity, and free markets? Answer. The Wealth of Nations. Question number 7. Who was the inventor of Barbie doll unveiled first time at Toy Fair in New York on this day in 1959 that was manufactured by American toy company Mattel? Answer. Ruth Handler. Question number 8. Which Soviet cosmonaut born on this day in 1934 became the first man to travel in space in 1961? Answer. Yuri Gagarin. Question number 9. Which American industrialist and politician born on this day in 1824 was the founder of Stanford University in 1885 in memory of his only child who died of typhoid at the age of 15? Answer. Leland Stanford. And he had named the university in the memory of his son Leland Stanford Jr. Question number 10. Which year on this day Russian Bolshevik Party changed its name to Communist Party? Answer. 1918. Question number 11. Which spacecraft successfully was launched on this day in 1961 carrying a human dummy named Ivanovic, a dog named Chernushka, some mice, and a guinea pig. Answer: Sputnik 9. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.